imagine.
Yes.
Illusion,
Who do you
right?
think
Illusion.
who do you think they will ban?
I really can't predict right now because I don't really know much about the teams, but it will be interesting to see what they are going to bring on this table. And it's a
Oh,
Hanzo ban coming
Hanzo.
up from the side of Limitless.
Yes,
So,
yes, we
what do
can
you think
see that.
about this ban, Genesis?
I think it's a good and bad also. If I mean, Hanzo has many counters, but if the player is very good, he cannot be counter. Like it's a 50-50 chance. So I think it's good.
Okay, now a Valir ban is coming up from the side of Limitless.
Oh, and Esmeralda.
That's gonna be banned. And yeah, we can really see Esmeralda bans right now in the even the
If
rank games and in the tournament standards. Esmeralda really shines in the mid game to the late game, and she really does really well in the mid lane as well as in the bot lane. What do you think about this ban?
yes, it's very good. I mean, Esmeralda is also a counter of Xborg and Harry. There might be possible chances that Team Limitless might take uh,
Okay,
this
this is a
Harry
Claude pick coming up.
first. It's a very good pick. I mean, the last match they didn't take it. Oh,
Okay, a
Jawhead.
Jawhead is gonna be picked in the right side.
I think it's very good
Uh,
pick.
yeah, Jawhead
As
is a really
Jawhead is a
good pick.
very good early gamer, and he has a very good amount of CC and damage in the early game.
Yeah, Jawhead
Oh,
can really counter this Claude, and a Natalia pick is coming up from the right
I
side,
think
and it will be
I
interesting
think
to see
yes,
if this Natalia will be used as an offlane or a support.
yes, and also Natalia is a very good counter to marksman, so he might be able to
Shut
mark the
down the
marksman.
marksman in the late game. Yeah,
Yes,
true. Now a Hylos
and
pick
you
is
can see
coming up
Hylos.
here. Yeah, as we know, the Ring of Judgment can counter the Natalia. So I think
Yes,
Hylos is a really good pick here in the left side here.
that's a very good point. And Xborg, that's also a very good pick. As Xborg also somewhat a bit counter to Natalia.
Yeah, obviously using the fire missiles, Asbog can easily zone out the bush for the Claude, so he can keep getting the visions and avoid Natalia at all costs in the late game.
Yes. Do you think he will seriously pick Dalman? I have a very weird feeling.
Balmond is getting adjusted, but I don't see a Balmond pick coming up here. But here is a
He
Kufra
just threw
pick
a
coming
Kufra.
up from the side of
He was just
Illusion.
bluffing. What might be the ban here this time?
I think this Illusion side should go for a MM ban here. I can see a possible MM funnel coming up from the side of Limitless and a
Yes.
Selena
Oh,
ban
and the Saliba
coming up.
ban.
Yeah, it's a really good ban coming up from the side of
I think
Limitless.
Illusion should really ban a marksman. Like, carry is still open. Carry, Granger, Bruno, and all the other, funnelable
I
marksmen.
think they should really ban out the carry because, as we know, carry has HP based damage and Hylos has the highest HP tank in the whole game. So
Yes, that's a
carry
very
can
good
really.
point.
Okay, a
Oh, and a
Hellcut ban
Hellcat
coming
ban.
up. What do you think about this ban?
Hellcat is good. I mean, with his ultimate and silence, he can silence anyone and kill anyone with his second skill. Like, his things are
But
so powerful.
Hellcut is a really OP pick, but I don't really see how this Hellcut would have been in the composition of the side of Limitless. But no worries, I don't really know what's going on in the minds of this player. They are really good players and they really know what to do and when to do. And a Popolo and Koopa, they're hovering over this Popolo and Koopa support.
Yes, I think, and also we can see that Uranus is
Oh,
picked on the limitless side. Do you think Uranus would be a side lane or a mid support?
I think Uranus will be played as an off lane because Uranus really shines in the off lane, to be honest. And two
My God,
supports
they're
coming
picking
up
two
on the side
supports.
of
Wow,
Illusion. Wow.
this
I
is
think
a
what they
very
are
unique
planning
pick.
is they are going for this Popol and Koopa on the tanky side and then Nana as the support.
Yes, I think Popol and Koopa would do an off lane.
Yeah, that now a carry pick is being hovered by the side of Limitless and Kimi Bruno. I think they're right now they're confused and they're really wondering that which MM will really go with their team composition. I think they should really pick this carry. What do you think?
Yes, I think Kerry will be a very good pick as Kerry is a counter of Hylos, and Claude has a very hard time doing a one versus one against the Kerry. When Kerry was picked,
Okay, now both of the teams are going for this 1-3-1 funnel strategy. Which team do you think will have the upper hand according to the draft, Genesis?
I think Limitless might have a upper hand since they have a better early gamers like Uranus and Johat and have a better
Yeah,
CC.
true, but then again, this Popol and Koopa's trap can really zone out and spot out this Natalia before he can come near this Claude. But it will be interesting to see. We will head to this game number 2 between Illusion and Limitless.
Yes.
And guys, please don't forget to share our stream and don't forget to follow us on imagine.gg on Facebook and Imagine Esports on YouTube. And welcome to this game number 2. And the match has begun between the Illusion and Limitless. So both of the teams are marching towards the mid lane, and I think that the side of the Illusion are now trying to secure their red buff first. And
Yes.
here's the mirroring
I think
strategy
both the
coming up
teams-
from the both team.
Yes, I think both the teams are trying to secure the red buff first since there's a high possibility that the red buff might be targeted.
Yeah, true, because we all know that the red buff is really important for the marksman heroes, and they are trying to secure this red buff first. Here's a direct mirror strategy coming up from the both sides, and as Genesis
Yes.
predicted, yes, this Popol and Koopa is playing as the off lane.
Yes, and Natalia tried to, I think he went to check if the buff was there or not, and the buff was there, and they're engaging on Xborg, and
And do you think
Xbox
there's going to be a
survived.
possible invade?
I don't think there might be a possible engage since neither of the team has a retribution to secure it.
Yeah, that's true. But this Natalia is really doing a good job of giving vision to the whole map. And
Yes.
as you can see now, the Illusion
Oh.
side, they are trying to invade this blue buff, and I
Oh, and
think
they
they
were
got
such-
it.
Yes, the Hylos got it.
Yes.
Oh my god, that was a very good invasion.
Yeah, Hylos with the Ring of Judgment, they really got that buff on the side of Illusion, and the carry was denied the blue buff. As we all know that carry is a really mana dependent marksman, and denying that blue buff in this early phase was really a good gameplay coming from the side of Illusion.
Yes, and I think they're going to destroy the top lane of the Illusion side now. But the carry seems to be taking the crab.
Yeah, I think they are now trying to focus on this top lane. They really want to pressure out this Xborg here, but the backup is coming up from the side of, and we can see a possible first blood here. Yes,
Oh,
this is the first blood
I
on
think
the
a double kill
Uranus.
might be here. Oh, yes.
Okay, Xborg
There
will
was a very
secure
bad
the second
invasion
kill.
from the Limitless side.
Yeah, even though they had the Natalia, they didn't get the proper vision that the enemy was coming for the backup for this Xbox, and Illusion really played really well here in this team fight. They got a 2-for-0 trade. Now a possible invade coming up here again,
And I think the Nana might die here or...
but
Oh,
Nana
but
has a
Tessie
passive.
saved her.
Yeah, this Nana passive is really annoying, to be honest.
That's
Every
a very
time you
good
try to
one.
kill her, she will always escape.
Yes, and we can see that in the bottom lane, Popol and Koopa is giving a very hard time to the Natalia. I don't know how the Popol and Koopa is always being successfully able to detect where the Natalia is.
Yeah, considering the fact he has the traps on him, Popol and Koopa can easily zone out the Natalia and check if the Natalia is in the nearby bushes. And this Koopa has really high damage in the early game. and that's why I think that the Natalia is so much hesitant to directly strike this Popol.
And the Popol and Koopa did a very nice job in going back to the turret as he
Okay,
detected a
I think
possible
this is
gang
a
might happen.
yeah, true. Glorious
I
pathway
think
is being
Johead,
called by the Hylos, and I
oh,
think the Jawhead will fall down. Yes.
there was a very good counter gang from the illusion side.
Okay, the carry also falls down. Now the Claude is on a KDA of 401, and he's now right now unstoppable. Oh my God, how
Yes,
is
and he has a 14k goal lead. And look at
yeah
the Uranus, like he just doesn't care. He's just pushing the lanes. He's just clearing the like minion waves. He doesn't care about export.
Yeah, I think that's a good gameplay coming up from the Uranus. That's exactly what he should do right now, considering the goal deficit coming up from the side of Limitless. He is really trying to break the lineup of the Illusion side here,
Yes,
so that
and
Carry can get some time to breathe.
oh, and I think Uranus might die here. Oh, he just escaped.
Yeah, Uranus is a really tanky hero. He has so much shield and he can easily escape. And I think mid lane will fall in the side of Limitless Esports. Okay, yes, they were able to successfully take this mid turret. And now a possible gank coming up on this Popol and Koopa, but he will escape here. Okay, now Blazing Duet is being called by the Claude and they will chase. And I think Khufra is gonna fall down here. Yes, Khufra falls down in the hands of the Popol and Koopa. And now they're coming back and I think they will try to push this bot lane right now. Okay, Nana is pushing the mid lane. And Natalia trying to kill this Nana, but Nana again escapes with the help of his passive here. Glorious pathway is being called by the Hylos, and I think Natalia will fall. Yes, Natalia is being slain here by the Popol and Koopa. I believe that it was a bit of overextension coming up from the side of Natalia here. They should have not really chased the Nana, considering the fact that she has a passive.
Yeah. And with that, I think Hylos is going to go for the blue buff, but maybe they are overextending a tad bit. Okay, Jawhead goes in. Is Claude
Yes,
going to
Jawhead will
be
fall
in?
down.
Oh my God, that was really, really close call for Claude there. I mean,
Yeah,
that was playing along with along the lines of death almost. Okay, request for pause coming in from Team Red.
what do you think, Sinner? Which team has the upper lead right now?
Well, right now, just according to the farm and gold, we can see already Team Illusion is leading by almost 6k gold difference there. And on the other hand, I am really loving the Claude gameplay coming in from Rise. If I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but Rise is playing really, really good. He's always watching, he's farming, he's keeping up with the farm, and he's always watching his position whenever he's using the ult. And I'm liking the team support as well coming in from Team Illusion. On the other hand, Limitless side, Uranus seems to be dealing a lot of. I mean, he's sustaining even though his towers are down. He actually applied really good strategy there by going near the enemy base and starting to clear the minion wave from there itself. But unfortunately, that didn't really work out in his favor. While Uranus was pressuring that top lane, his rest of the
Actually, when
team.
Uranus is pressuring a particular lane, his teammates should really focus on the opposite lane and
Exactly.
try to gank that lane.
Exactly.
But that was something missing from the side of Limitless, and I think that's why the Uranus was slain
I
from
feel
their
there is
top lane.
there's some sort of, I don't know whether it is nervousness or what, but from Team Limitless, it seems like a bit communication mistakes are going on between their team. They can't really, you know, coordinate well. And
Yeah,
on
both
the
of the teams are trying their best, but yeah, there is a coordination gap that we can see on the side of Limitless. Whereas this Claude on the Bounty Hunter, he's doing an amazing job.
yeah, he's
He
already
waves
502.
his Yeah, every time there is a team fight, the Claude is always there, and that's why he has so much farm lead compared to the carry on the side of Limitless Esports.
Exactly. Genesis, are you back?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Genesis will take over, guys.
Okay, the match is resumed, and as you can see, the top lane is being pushed by the Xbox, but will this Uranus let him push? No. Now
No,
the
and
team Illusion is trying to secure this bottom lane from the hands of the Jawhead.
and Popol and Koopa is doing a very good job in keeping the traps where, like, he's predicting where Natalia might come in, like he's keeping the traps everywhere. Like he's doing a very good job in countering the Natalia.
Yeah, true. Natalia is a direct counter to the Claude, but they really forgot about this Popolin, Koopa, and Hylos. They are
Yes,
really
and
not allowing this Natalia, and Glorious Pathway will be called by the Hylos. And
and in the top lane, Natalia just died from the Xborg. Like they were two of them were ganking, but the Xborg showed a very good gameplay. How you should do a 2 versus 1 if they gank you.
and now this Uranus is chasing the Xbox. Do you think the Xbox will go down?
I don't
You
think like
and the
there's
backup is
the backup
coming
also
for
came.
yeah, and now this Uranus will have a hard time escaping here. And okay, they literally let the Uranus escape, and now they are trying to secure this top lane.
Yes, and Illusion is also showcasing a very good, team. Like they're
Okay,
supporting
Natalia
them
will go
every time.
down in the hands of Nana.
And the Uranus is just doing his job. Like
Yeah,
just
Uranus is
playing
doing a
in.
great job there in the top lane for the side of Limitless, but I don't see a follow back that is gonna support this Uranus from the Limitless side. Now this
That's a
Popol
very
and
good
Koopa,
point.
he's really trying to take this bottom lane turret, but Jawhead is like, no, I won't let you get this turret at any cost.
Yes, the Droid is so persistent. And I
I'm
think there
really
might be
surprised that neither of the team did take the turtle till now, right?
yes, that's very good point. They haven't taken the turtle since the game began. Like it's
I
very
wonder why.
amazing.
Like they are focusing on the turret, but they are not focusing on the turtle. Are they not considering turtle as the objective? But that's something interesting to see here. And this Uranus is not gonna leave that lane, I guess.
Yes, and I think Natalia might die here, and he just died. And I
Actually,
think
actually, Team Illusion doesn't really need turtle at this point. I think at 8 minutes, if you don't take the turtle, Lord appears. But if you touch the turtle, then Lord gets delayed. So I think Team Illusion is going for the Lord here, and they wanted to bring it out. Okay, Claude is going in for the kill, and unfortunately, that vengeance is not going to be enough to save Uranus.
and
And
now
I
they're
guess
going to
this is a
contest the
Lord
Lord.
coming up from the side of Illusion. And the Khufra and the carry, they are trying their best
And
to contest this Lord. And oh my
yes,
god, so
and
much
who do you
damage
think
coming
might?
up from
Oh,
the side of carry. But the Lord goes to the hands of the Illusion.
and
And
I
now the
think both
Blazing
of them
Duets will
might
be called.
die. If the
Yeah,
carry just died now, the Kufra just get
yeah,
like he both of them didn't get the support, like the proper support they needed.
yeah,
As
true. And considering the fact that Natalia and Jawhead is in the bot lane,
oh,
Khufra
the
and
Popol and Koopa is showcasing a very good gameplay here.
yeah,
He
Popul and
just
Koopa
killed
is
the
such
Jawhead.
an OP pick.
Yes,
He was doing
like
1 versus 2, and he managed to kill.
even though he didn't get any buff at all, he still managed to dominate the bottom lane.
Okay,
Oh,
now
and
the mid turret will go down, and
yes, do you think this is the end?
I think this is the
I
end
think this is the end.
for the Limitless
Yes,
Esports. Yes, and
Illusion
game
just
number
won.
2 will go to the hands of Illusion. Illusion really played a great game here, and even though
Like true
the
supports,
time,
but still they managed to dominate them so well.
yeah, even the side of Limitless, they tried their best. They tried to contest the Lord, and they dish out so much damage. But the Claude, he really shined on top of everyone here. And so the game number 1 will go to the side of Illusion.
Yes.